we rushed baby Celine to emergency. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. It's been a while. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan yung last na vlog natin. It is currently 12:20 in the afternoon and today is anong araw nga ba today? Wednesday. Dito tayo sa sasakyan. Kakauwi lang namin ni baby Celine guys from the doctors. Yes, doctors ulit. Like it's been going on for a while now, as you notice. Tulog kasi ang ating baby girl, as you can see. Kaya napag-isipan ko na mag-vlog since yung camera ay nasa bag ko naman. Ayoko siyang ilabas muna kasi firstly, umuulan kung nakikita nyo. Oh. And secondly, hindi pa niya nakuha yung kanyang saktong tulog. Hindi pa mataas yung tulog niya. So, hayaan ko muna siya na makatulog dyan. Mentioned, it's been a while na nakapag-vlog ako. To be honest, hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung last vlog natin. Sa dami na kasi ng mga pangyayari. Guys, seriously, I'm out of track. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung last na vlog. Kaya nga din yung mga vlog na napapanood nyo ay minsan kadalasan late na talaga kasi yun na nga yung mga nangyayari dito, hindi ako makapag-edit and all, so natatambak yung mga videos ko and minsan kapag nagkaka-chance nag-i-edit ako para may upload, but yeah, sa panahon ngayon talaga medyo nahihirapan si mami nyo guys, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na kung late yung mga vlogs na napapanood nyo. Kauwi nga lang namin from the doctors and today is only follow up kasi long story short, Sunday night we rushed baby Celine to emergency dito sa ospital na malapit sa amin. So kung if I'm not mistaken, yung vlog ko before pumunta rin kami ng doktor, yeah, hindi siya naging okay na okay talaga. So this has been going on for nearly close to a month now. Every time na pumupunta ako ng doktor, pumunta ako ng doktor at least like 3 times within 2 weeks. Kasi nga gusto kong i-confirm and just wanna make sure na there's nothing serious about it. Kasi nga parang hindi nagiging wala akong progress na nakikita sa health ni baby Celine Bala. Always ang tawag ito yung cold and fever, and every time na pumupunta ako guys, sinasabi nila na it's just a common cold and let's just let it run its course kasi mawawala din daw and there's nothing that they can give me to make baby Celine feel better quickly kasi nga yung mga cold, yung virus na cold na ganyan, it will just go away in time. So after nung rashes, di ba bumalik kami, I think naka-vlog ako noon. After nung rashes guys, she felt better, like at least a day and a half naging okay siya. And then last week. Yeah, so last Thursday, nag-fever na naman siya guys. May lagnat na naman siya. Like, daytime, nighttime, and we give her Nurofen, like Panadol. It helps her kasi bumababa yung lagnat niya. And then, I supposed to go to the doctor again Monday. Itong doktor na namin dito. But then, Sunday night, we decided na dalhin si baby Celine sa emergency kasi nag-start na siyang magsuka. So, that night, she had like 39 degrees. Sobrang init na niya. And then, nagsusuka siya. At alam niyo ba yung sinusuka niya, guys? Like, yellowy, greeny color na para siyang, I don't think it's phlegm. But yung consistency ay yung medyo malagkit-lagkit ba. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, that was 7 o'clock at night, Sunday. Sabi ko na, we need to bring Celine into emergency. Like, there's no ifs, there's no buts anymore. Kasi, having, you know, having that fever for a while now. And alam nyo, nakita nyo naman guys before sa vlog, she has been like unwell, and akala ko like pag-iipin lang, kasi at the moment talaga ay nagngingipin siya. So it looks like parang nag-isa na lahat ngayon. So may dalawa siyang ipin sa taas na malabas, at nakita ko rin yesterday may dalawa na siyang ipin sa baba na rin. So in total meron siyang 8 teeth, and parang nasasakyan ng cold, and then marami na ba ang naka on top of the pag-iipin, maraming nakikisabay. So nung pumunta kami ng ospital ng emergency guys, hininga nila kami ng ihi, sample ng ihi ni baby Celine. So it's a bit tricky getting like a urine sample from a baby, kasi nga 'di ba, alangan namang hindi mo naman masabi sa baby na umihi ka ngayon, 'di ba? So hintayin mo na umihi siya. And then since she has been like unwell at hindi siya umiinom ng maraming tubig talaga at kumakain as normal, medyo sabi ng doktor maybe it's a bit hard, kasi nga baka dehydrated siya, hindi siya yung pag-ihi niya. But then hindi naman siya naging dehydrated guys, kasi napansin ko naman na parang normal naman yung pag-ihi niya, may umiihi pa rin naman siya kahit na meron siyang sakit. So luckily nakakuha kami ng sample ng ihi niya guys, tapos chinek nila, and yung findings ng doktor ay may UTI ang ating baby girl. Nag-ask ako sa doktor kung ano yung cause ng UTI for baby, kasi I understand kapag malaki ka na may mga factors na ba na naging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ka ng UTI. But for a 10-month-old baby, like what would it be? Like very curious ako guys, kasi 'di ba sa pagkakaalam ko lang ha, I had UTIs before when I was in the Philippines. Ang alam ko kapag may UTI ka, alam niyo kapag umiihi ka masakit, 'di ba? But I don't think it's like that with Celine, kasi pag umiihi naman siya, hindi ko naman naano na parang she's in pain kapag umiihi siya. Although she's very restless during the night. Wala kaming saktong tulog guys, like si mami niyo ay gising na gising every night. Seriously. Anyways, sobrang pagod na si mami niyo. Like physically tired. And anyways, let's put myself aside. I'm just with baby Celine, chinek nila yung ihi, yun na nga UTI. Tapos apart from that, meron daw siyang cold. Yun lang yung findings ng doktor guys. And then they started giving her antibiotics that night. So nakauwi kami 3 o'clock ng madaling araw, Monday na yun. And then binigyan ng nurse si baby Celine ng parang tablet siya na mag-dissolve lang siya sa mouth ni baby Celine, na pang anti-nausea, kasi nagsusuka nga siya, 'di ba? So after noon, napansin ko parang nag-stop na yung pagsusuka ni baby Celine ng green stuff. Pagpasensyahan nyo rin kung kakaiba yung pagsasalita ko ngayon guys, kasi alam nyo ba, kapag ganito yung mga pangyayari, stress ako, nagkakaroon ako ng singaw, sobrang sakit ng aking dila, meron akong mouth ulcer. Kaya, sorry. Anyways, so she has been on antibiotics since Sunday night. Today is Wednesday, so pang 3rd day niya ngayon. I noticed na naging better siya. Nakakatulog na siya guys. Something that she haven't had for a few weeks now, yung magandang tulog. So since Monday night, Tuesday night, naging okay yung kanyang tulog. Wala na rin siyang lagnat, which means yung antibiotics ay nag-work sa kanya. Although, because of the antibiotics, she's now having diarrhea. Kasi nga, yung antibiotics daw ay nag-cause ng diarrhea. But yeah, the doctor said that's just normal for antibiotics. So, yung follow-up today, sabi ng doctor, he's not worried. We'll just give her time, more rest of course, and we'll give her the antibiotics until Friday kasi dapat 5 days. So start siya Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Friday, mag-stop na yung antibiotics niya. And I'm very happy kasi nga I can now see the progress, the difference. She smiles na, she plays na, although sometimes irritable pa rin siya. Kasi nga, I understand naman hindi pa rin siya 100%, but then, you know, I can tell na nagiging okay na yung pakiramdam niya ngayon. Kasi nga, ikaw ba naman nagkaroon ng fever tsaka cold, guys, for, you know, few weeks, 'di ba? Sino ba namang magiging okay nun? So, yes, you can maybe see, kung makikita niyo sa mamaya maglabas namin, she lost weight. I'd say, hello again. As you can see, nasa sasakyan pa rin tayo, guys. Tulog pa rin ang ating baby girl, kaya napag-isipan ko na mag drive-thru dito sa McDonald's. Bumili ako nito. Gutom na kasi si mami nyo, guys. It's already 1:20. Wala pa akong lunch. Bumili ako ng double cheeseburger and Coke, and then apple pie. Bumili din ako ng apple pie. Yan. And then binilhan ko sa Ate Paris ng Happy Meal, pero yung laruan lang yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya tong box na may laruan. Kasi, oh, here's another thing. So, Ate Paris has been having diarrhea since this morning. Alam niyo ba, guys, hindi ako makapaniwala sa mga pangyayari talaga. Na-mention ko na to sa previous vlogs ko na half of the year na yung nawala, but mostly ay mga hindi mga kaaya-ayang pangyayari talaga yung nangyari sa amin dito sa Brisbane, guys, since nung nag-move kami dito. Kasi alam nyo, guys, I understand naman, no, kasi ngayon nga sabi ng doktor na since Ate Paris is going to kindergarten, mangyayari talaga na itong dalawa ay they will just keep passing on each other the germs. Kasi nga sa kindergarten, doon mo talaga makukuha yung iba klaseng germs, guys, kasi yung maraming mga bata doon. So it seems like Ate Paris got the bug ngayon. Kaninang madaling araw, 4 o'clock, kasi nasiyahan na si mami nyo kasi nga, diba, medyo nakakatulog na si baby Celine ng mabuti, ng straight, hindi na siya restless during the night, ay makakapagpahinga na din si mami niyo. But I was so wrong. Yes, nakapahinga ako konti, but then tarang, 4 o'clock in the morning, Paris woke up having this diarrhea. So hindi siya nag-school today. Hindi namin siya pinapasok kasi hindi maganda kapag ganyan pinapasok din, guys, kasi pag may bug sa tummy, they might pass it on to other kids, and you know, it's not good, and we'll give her time to rest. So, she had a few this morning, guys. Kaya nga, bilhan ko siya ng toy para ma-lift naman yung mood ng ating Ate Paris. And, oh, here. There's another thing. Sobrang dami ko na talagang kailangang i-report sa inyo, guys. Sobrang daming nangyari. Kaya nga lang, hindi nag-vlog si mami niyo. So, Mike's mom is here now too. Dumating siya ng Friday. Kain muna ako, guys. Kasi pag nandito si Ate Paris, sasabihan niya ako, don't speak when your mouth is full. So, dumating yung mama niya nung Friday evening. And, yun, siya yung kasama ni Ate Paris. Daddy Mike is at home naman kasi nag-work from home siya today. But, yeah, may kalaro si Ate Paris doon kasi nandun yung mami ni Daddy Mike. That's one thing I'm very happy about as well. Nung Sunday na dinala namin sa Ate Paris, si baby Celine sa emergency, kasi nandito yung mama niya, siya yung nag-alaga kay Ate Paris while pumunta kami ng ospital. Kasi can you imagine, kung wala dito yung mama niya, it means it's just me going to the hospital kasi kailangan i-look after ni Daddy si Ate Paris. But yeah, it was just impossible, guys, kasi nung pumunta kami ng emergency, even nung nandito na kami sa sasakyan, nagsusuka pa rin si Celine. So ayaw namin siyang ilagay sa kanyang car seat kasi kapag nilagay mo siya sa car seat tapos nagsuka siya, baka ma-choke siya ba. Kaya pinahawak ko kay Daddy Mike si Baby Celine dito sa front seat. Then sabi ko, if ever na may like police or catch na police na bakit ganyan nandyan sa front seat at wala sa car seat, we have a valid reason, emergency. Kaya yun. So yung mama niya ay magsistay dito hanggang Tuesday next week. And this weekend we're gonna do something. Hopefully both kids will feel a bit better. As mentioned, si ating Baby Celine naman ay a bit better na, guys. Wala nang lagnat. But kung makikita niyo siguro siya mamaya sa vlog, pag nakagising na yan siya, she lost weight. Not a lot, kasi kumakain pa rin naman siya, guys. Hindi nga lang yung bonggang-bongga. And now she's back to, having like breast milk. And kaninang umaga, I made her egg. She had some yogurt and strawberries as well. This is not your water there. Lini, Gil. Give her water, nakbe.
Here, Mommy.
Hala. Agay. Hey, give it to Mama ba?
Here
Yeah. Okay. Say thank you, ate.
we go.
Thank you, ate.
So let's take this boy.
Good job. Don't drink that water anymore now. Shh. Hoy, say hi sa anak be. Shh. Parisiko. Hi. How are you?
Good.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo to, oh. Shush! Okay na siya, guys. Kailangan pa siyang gisingin ba kasi tulog siya sa sasakyan. Anong oras na? Pinapakain ko siya ngayon para mabigyan ko siya ng second dose ng antibiotics. Ayan. Kumakain na siya, guys. Very happy. Yeah. Na? Agay. What are you doing? She moves a lot now. Yeah. Pero kita na yung liig niya. Nak, no, it's okay, anak. Babalik din tayo doon, anak. Uy, very sweet ate, oy. Uy! What are you doing? What are you doing? What was that, anak? Lola. Say Lola.
Salim.
Say Lola.
Papa. Salim. Salim.
Say Lola.
I'll see you soon. What's in that bag?
You wanna go in the back? You wanna go with Lola in the back? You'll fit there.
You probably would actually. I'll take this.
She likes your shoes.
Yay! Got laces. Laces. Okay.
Come on,
I'll
let's
see
keep
you
eating your lunch. Alright, take care, Mom.
soon. Yeah.
Leanie, come on. Let's keep eating, my love. Leanie girl.
Tomorrow I'm going to go into the city.
Yeah. Wow. What's wrong? Did you paint your nails? Wow. Did you do it yourself? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang mukha, guys. Oh, may bruise dito. Your tummy hurts? Her tummy hurts, Daddy. Her tummy hurts.
Not just a lot, just a little.
Just a little bit? Shh. Hey! What are you up to, ah? Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, super saya ko na talaga, guys. Kasi, alam nyo ba, for the last few weeks, hindi talaga siya, ganito ba? Nag-kick in na yung antibiotic. Nak na! Baba girl. Have a look, oh. Have a look, nak, oh. Nak. Who's that, nak? Who's that, Lini? Shh. Nalala, very determined ka siya na kuha yung libro. Shh. How are you feeling, Lini? Good? Good? Patapusin ko na itong pakain, guys, kasi bigyan ko pa ng antibiotics. Struggle pa magbigay ng antibiotics kasi hindi niya, tinitake yung syringe. So, itingal na ako siya, guys. Anong tawag yun sa Tagalog? I-force ba sa kanya? Nging. Finish yun. Left na pa eh. Wala man kag manok na ituhik na. Manok nga nituhik ang bata. Good girl. Good job. Yummy. Uy, lala. Ikaw pa yan nasa lamisa. Okay, we've got a lot, anak. Good job, sweetie girl. Show, tita. Oh, this is very nice. 1. See? Wow! Bulang kristal. Ada. Is that you? Is that you? Can you see yourself? Oh, here. Go. Is there another Celine there? Is there another Celine? There. Tara, oh. Celine, oh. Ba. Ba. Ay! Matagak na. Da. I-ready ko na yung kanyang medicine. Ito yung gagamitin natin syringe. Alam na niya yan, guys. Umiyak na yan siya pag nakakita ng ganito. Diba? So, ito yung kanyang antibiotic. Cephalexin syrup. So, yung binibigay sa kanya is 4.4 ml and 4 times a day. 4 times a day na? And it's been really good, guys. It helped her. No. And mama too, of course. Yes? So, hanggang Friday to siya kasi 5 days daw. And then, we might go see the doctors again after that just to confirm. Maybe we'll do test again and maybe make sure na nag-clear up na yung UTI. Oh, good. It's okay na. It's okay. Just a little bit. Uy, just a little bit man, ba? Tingnan nyo, guys. Nakakaintindi na siya. Alam na niya ito. It's okay, my love. It's alright. You know, this is good for you. Yeah? You felt better after taking this. Shush. Tigulang magid, guys. Kabalo nagid siya. I might have to buy more actually, no? I don't think this will last till Friday. There you go. Si ganyan lang, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. 4.4 ml nga. Oh, okay. Mama. We'll go get the water. Go get the water, Diane. It's okay. It's very quick. Very, very quick. Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nakatulog pala ang ating ito guys. Nanood ng kanyang movie. Okay. Anya. It's okay. Oh, finish na tayo. Finish, mama. Labat cinder na. Labat cinder na. Labat cinder na. No? Finish. Wala ka. Finish na. Finish na. Lau, you're so brave, oh. Sabi tita. I'm so brave, tita. I'm so brave. Water. No, okay. It's okay. Where are we going at the Paris? Why? Why didn't you get it before?
Because I just saw that they was leaving for you.
Oh, okay. Alright. Nakatulog to siya guys. Oh, ngayon lang.
It's from the postman.
It's from the postman? Okay, let's go to the...
That's a birdie sticker.
What is it?
That's a birdie sticker in the front.
Oh, okay, let's go. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl isa ay nandito. Kasi may mail daw sabi ni Ate Paris. We'll see what it is. Oh, madilim na. What time is it now, anak? Do you know? Hmm? It's okay, we'll just buzz. Careful with your hand. Wow. B? Oh, I wonder where this is from. Come here. Oh, Paris. I really thought there's something else. I thought there's a special mail, really. It is a special. This is from you. What is it? Show me. Sabi niya guys, may mail daw. Tapos, ginawa niya pala para sa akin. Very sweet pala akong baby.
It's full.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
just full.
Thank you. Sabi niya, Mami, pagkagising niya, there's a mail for you from the postman. Ito po. Oh, so cute. I'll show tita. See? Careful na ka. Itong ginawa niya for Mommy. Thank you, Nak. That is so
Do
sweet.
you know what it says?
What does it say? Come here, hang on. Hang on. I'll get you to read it. What does it say?
Dear lover,
Dear love.
I love you so much, and we can go see her next time for Daddy's birthday.
Oh, that's cute.
So you can keep that.
Thank you, Ate.
I'm married.
Okay, let's go.
But it was a real man.
It is a real mail. It's from you.
I know, but you feel it's wrong.
It's your drink. Hold it properly, oh. Nakapupo na naman yan siya, guys, ngayong hapon. So, bukas, hindi talaga ito siya makakapunta ng kindergarten bukas kasi hindi pa okay ang kanyang tiyan. Lini! How are you, Nana? Aren't you? She's smiling now. Makes Mama so happy. Yeah. Love you. Let's go cook dinner. Are you gonna help Mama?
I joked you. I joked you.
Yeah, you did. Tricked me.
I tricked you because I was a real man.
I know. Thank you for this. It's very sweet. Very sweet. So let's cook dinner. Are you gonna help Mama cook dinner?
Yeah.
We're gonna cook bihon.
Um,
Can you say bihon? Bihon. Say it here. Bihon. Good.
Hello. Hello.
Hey! Hey! What are you up to? You have to change your nappy. Celine? Celine? Wait, she's checking out Paris.
Yeah.
How about her standing up? Oh,
It's
goodness.
mine.
I know, she's very...
It's mine.
Change ko yung sheets, guys. Lahat-lahat na. From the... yung fitted sheet. Ito. Yung pillow cases. Ayan, para malinis sa feeling. Sleepy na ang ating baby girl. Papatulog ko na yun. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Tingnan nyo. Medic Room Spray. Comforting aroma, helps prepare you for sleep, contains essential oils, fragrant menthol. Ayan. So, ina-spray ko siya, guys. Sa dito ba? Before matulog. Close pa natin yung blinds. It smells good. Totoo nga siyang mukhang nakaka-relax nga. And then, our thing is on. Yung ating dehumidifier kasi nagda-dry kami ng mga damit sa dryer. At, humid siya dito sa loob kasi it's cold outside tapos mainit dito. So, it's now midnight. And, I think, na-jinx ko kanina yung sinabi ko na she's having good sleep. Kasi, tignan nyo. Nandito kami ngayon sa lunchroom kasi paiyak-iyak siya doon sa bed. I'm not sure what is going on now. Pero tulog naman siya, oh. Pero pa, ang tawag dito yung gumaganon-ganon si. Kaya nilabas ko na lang para makatulog ang ibang tao doon. Makatulog si Daddy Mike tsaka si Paris. Dito kami. So, hinihintay ko na parang matulog siya ng deep sleep talaga ba. Tapos, ipapasok ko siya doon sa bedroom. But every time na mag-move ako, guys, she is waking up. So, we'll see. Baka hindi naman makatulog si mami nito. Hmm.